Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I am back for a new and fun video with my celebrity hairstylist friend Kiyah Wright, and we are going to be doing some fun hair care and scalp care chat in her salon about the new Head & Shoulders Royal Oils collection. So I want to give a huge thank you to Head & Shoulders for collaborating with me on this video, so let's get started.
So what brings you in today, lady?
I need to be made over. I need to be amused, but I need to
Look at you. You always made over. You're Megs.
You know, but today I need that special treatment.
You do?
Okay, I need that scalp treatment as well.
Right. Okay. So you wearing the wigs a lot. You just feel like you just need some hair and scalp treatment under the hair accessory.
Yes, because I want to make sure with my protective styling I'm keeping my scalp healthy underneath.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any problems with dandruff or anything like that? Like dry scalp?
I do have a dry scalp in my temple area. I don't know what's going on.
I kind of see it now.
You see it?
Too.
It's just kind of like collects it right there, especially after workouts too.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. One of the good things about Head & Shoulders is, I mean, for me, it's new, and I know it's a brand that you've been seeing on the shelves for years. And most people thought like Head & Shoulders is not for us, but I'm now with Head & Shoulders, and of course they got a new brand out, and it's really, really good.
Okay, now what is this brand?
Let me show you. So of course we know we got this cool, new, bold, beautiful packaging, so you can't miss it. Okay. And you can buy it at pretty much any like local drugstore, CVS, places like that. It's coming out soon, so I'm really excited about it. But the good thing is it has lots of moisture, and you can see, I mean, look, it's screaming at you now, like moisture renew, moisture conditioner, this whole line. And one of the things that I love about it is that I like it as a system. Okay. You know, and so it's always great when you use a whole complete system to really get dandruff under control, or to get hydration back in that hair, or especially for protective styles, because our hair, when it's natural, it tends to be really dry.
Yes, especially when I protective style, I want my hair to be nice and moisturized.
Yes, I know, because we wear these wigs, these hair accessories, and we always forget about underneath the scalp. Underneath that hair, we need to keep that scalp in order. So really you want to just hydrate that hair every week. Okay. You can wash your hair, shampoo it you can shampoo your hair at least every week and put a mask on it every week. Throughout the week, if you don't want to do that, you'll do your cold wash. You know what I mean? And you know, I know you guys love the cold wash, or you can just, you know, just run some conditioner through it as well. So, you know, but the mask, I like the mask because I like to do steam treatments, because especially for natural hair, I like that product to really get in those cuticles and just really hydrate that hair. So that's what we're gonna do today.
Yeah, I like this whole system. I'm really excited to try this out.
I love it too, actually. I was really surprised because, you know, we knew the old Head & Shoulders for years, and now we finally got something for us. So you're gonna love it. Let's go.
Okay, now Kiyah is going to saturate my hair with water, and it feels oh so good. The water was lukewarm, not hot. So this is going to prepare my hair for shampooing. She is going to use the Moisture Boost shampoo, and it smells oh so good and feels really good too. And she's going to gently work that into my scalp with her fingertips. Okay, so she is massaging my scalp with her fingertips to work the product in. You never want to scratch your scalp, because that can cause irritation of the scalp, which can lead to damage of the hair follicles. So you don't want that. Just do a nice massage. So just work the shampoo in and rinse it out. Oh, my hair feels so good.
Doesn't it?
Like, it's so moist.
It's soft, right?
It's really soft.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like dry and like crunchy. I gotta pull through it.
Yeah, it feels really good.
So one of the things that I've tried to do, I've kind of remixed the products a little bit, okay? And I'm gonna use the Scalp Elixir now, because I'm big on steam treatment. Especially for natural hair, because it's so dry. I need that conditioner to really get in those cuticles. So I'm gonna use the Scalp Elixir now, because again, you said you had all of that dry scalp, you had some flakiness, we saw all of that. So I'm gonna put a little bit of it now. And what you do is you just open up your hair in sections, and you part it, and you literally just kind of work it through that scalp all the way through like this, all the way through.
Feels good.
Do you feel it?
Yeah, I feel that.
Is that peppermint oil, that menthol, a little bit of caffeine in there. Yeah, it's just waking that scalp up.
Ooh, that feels really good.
Yeah, and you just rub it through. And I do this section by section all over. And one thing about your hair is it really was dry along that whole front hairline. I know you thought it was just the temples, but when I looked, it was dry like really all the way through. Okay. So you just kind of want to go through and you want to kind of just rub it on that scalp. Get it? Do you feel it tingling?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
It feels really good. It's cooling too.
Yeah, it's cooling. So we're gonna just sort of hit two things in one. We're gonna do this Scalp Elixir all over, and then we're gonna follow up with the mask.
Okay.
So we're gonna do two things in one. And you can put it on wet and dry hair.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, this feels good.
Right? Just to get your scalp real cool.
Yeah, it smells good too. It smells so good.
Yeah, it's not all menthol-y.
Yeah, you would think that it would be like, oh, it's peppermint in here. That it would smell real like medicine-y or something.
Yes, because who wants to smell like medicine
no.
in bed with your boyfriend? He's like, baby, what's that?
What's that? It smells really good.
It's
nice
good.
fragrance, but it's not overpowering either.
Exactly, I love it.
I definitely feel the cooling.
You feel it?
That feels so good.
That's the good thing. And it's good for those girls who wear braids too.
Yes.
You ever wear braids?
I haven't in a while. It's been years since I was a kid.
Really? The braids are the thing right now, girl.
Yeah, I need to try some braids.
And now, I'm just gonna use a little bit of the mask.
Oh, that feels so good.
Yeah. Put it in. All over.
So do all the products have like the same consistent ingredients as far as the peppermint and the
coconut oil?
Coconut
Let's
oil.
not forget about that coconut oil.
Okay.
Yes. I think that was one of the biggest things, just making sure that the hair, not only because when you clean the scalp, our hair just gets so like dry and hard and brittle, and you can barely comb through it. So they really made sure that they focused heavily on that moisture factor, you know, just making sure that hair feels nice and hydrated. I mean, it's nothing to it. They fix that scalp, get rid of those dandruffs, and they hydrate that hair at the same time. That is a solution.
Yes. Because coconut oil is one of my favorite oils.
Yeah, and it's pretty universal too.
Yeah.
People aren't really allergic to coconut oil. It's pretty universal. It's one of those products that's natural. It's good. And this mask is really good because your hair is just soaking it right up. Your hair feels really good though, Megan.
Yes.
And you got that steamer going. I know you can see that steam over there.
Oh, my scalp feels so good. And I'm not just saying this just to be saying it.
Right?
I'm serious.
Right? It's like a relief. It's really good. Right? It's well labeled scalp relief.
It feels like this in there. Like a lot of like a million hands kind of like
stimulating my scalp.
Yeah, stimulating my scalp and massaging it.
That's the good thing. So I'm putting this cotton on right now because we don't want any of that water to drip, and now we steam. All right.
Okay, you guys, so I sat underneath the steamer for 15 minutes and my hair felt so good, so moisturized, and so soft when she rinsed my hair out and started to blow dry my hair to prepare for the braids. And it is so soft. I was really surprised, and it was a pleasant surprise at that too. So she did go ahead and blow it out, and she did snip my ends a little bit just to make sure that my hair is thoroughly treated well to prepare for the protective style.
So we got all your braids in.
Yes.
We've done your scalp care.
Yes, my scalp feels wonderful.
We are at like product number 4 now, right?
Yes.
So this is the last but not least. This is the icing on the cake. This is the finishing to the story. This is everything right here. This is the Daily Moisture Scalp Cream, because in the end, of course, you know, we love our hydration. We wear our protective styles. And now, like, we basically want to just put that hydration back in there. And it's not like super greasy. As you can see a little bit of the consistency. It's really good. I thought it was just gonna be topical creamy, but it actually absorbs really well. Like, look at that, you know, it's really good. Check that out.
Ooh, it smells good too.
Yeah, all of their products. It does.
It smells really nice.
So I just go in the scalp and I really just,
that feels good.
Yeah, it's cool. Look at her. Ooh. And I love the nozzle. It just keeps everything so easy. You know, especially when you're doing it yourself at home. It's not like going to the salon and I'm doing this. Is something you can actually do yourself.
How many times a week can I put this on if I feel like I need to?
I think you can do this every day. I'm really thoroughly impressed with this line, you know? I really am. I mean, it was just so underestimated, like, you know, because for years, a lot of us wasn't thinking about Head and Shoulders, and now they're making a comeback.
Yeah.
Just go through that scalp and just kind of rub it in really good.
Because I can even feel that with, you know, you rubbing your hands through it, just feels so smooth. It just glides through.
It is. It's nice and stimulating. I love that. Yeah. So now I'm going to go and put our piece on. We're gonna try on some pieces.
Like, ooh, let's have some fun.
We have really handled the scalp. We trimmed the ends, we blew dry it, we did everything.
It really makes me feel good knowing that, you know, when I go into my protective style, that my hair is maintained and my scalp is maintained underneath.
Yes.
You know,
that's key, because we tend to forget about the scalp. We put that piece on. I call them hair accessories. I hate wigs. And we put that hair accessory on, and we really do forget about the scalp.
Yes.
The scalp needs treatment, it needs conditioning, and those dandruffs and those flakes be gone. Let's try some wigs on. What do you think?
Yes, let's do it.
Hair accessories.
Okay, you guys, I had so much fun trying on all these fabulous personality pieces. Feel free to comment in the comment section below which wig is your favorite.
Let's hit them with the voila. This is our old favorite. Here we go.
The one that everyone's been asking
I know, right?
What is that?
This is so good.
I absolutely love how she styled this unit. It is so gorgeous. I've been wearing this all summer, and she just refreshed the unit just to give it a little bit more life.
She cute. Then you know this is Old Faithful right here. You know.
And that is it, you guys. I want to say thank you so much once again to Head and Shoulders for collaborating with us on this video. And you can find these products at Ulta stores later this month. And feel free to check out the description below for more information. And as always, I'll see you guys later.